Hi everyone, and welcome to my review of the GoCam Dashcam. In this video, I'll be sharing my thoughts on this full HD car camera that comes equipped with a 16 gigabytes memory card, night vision, and loop recording. If you're interested in purchasing the GoCam, I'll include a link in the description below. And if you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Features and benefits. First off, let's talk about the GoCam's full HD resolution. With a 1080p video quality, the GoCam captures clear and detailed footage that makes it easy to identify important details like license plates or street signs. This is particularly useful when it comes to providing evidence in the event of an accident. The GoCam also comes equipped with loop recording, which means that it automatically overwrites the oldest files when the memory card is full. This ensures that you never have to worry about running out of space or manually deleting old files. Pros and cons now. Let's talk about some of the pros and cons of the GoCam Dashcam. On the positive side, the GoCam is easy to install and use, and its compact size means that it won't take up too much space on your windshield. It's also priced competitively compared to other dashcams with similar features. On the negative side, the GoCam doesn't come with any advanced features like GPS or Wi-Fi connectivity, which may be a deal breaker for some users. Overall, the GoCam Dashcam is a solid option for anyone looking for a reliable and easy-to-use car camera. If you're interested in purchasing the GoCam, I've included a link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.